Hi folks, welcome to the rant channel. I'm wishing you all a nice day. Yes, having some rants, starting with the OnePlus. As you know, OnePlus had an event yesterday where they announced OxygenOS 13. OxygenOS 13 will bring Android 13 along with the new UI and features later on this year. It should premiere first with the 10 Pro and then with the 10T, and it will go down to 9 series and the 8 series as well. And the Nord series will get it to Nord CE2 Lite. But the other nodes like Nord 2 Lite, Nord N100, N200 and that garbage of nodes will not get it. It has a new design language that it says is based on water. They call it Aquamorphic Design, and it creates a soft, fluid visuals and icons with rounded shapes. The system colors will get darker as the days goes on. There is a always on display with both Bitmoji and Spotify integration. They told us they will go back to the basics, but it looks more like ColorOS. One feature they've taken from Oppo is the Sidebar Toolbox. So you'll get a folder of apps when you swipe from the edge of the screen. It combines with a lot of Android 13 features like spatial audio, Dolby Atmos support, improvement to nearby share and app streaming. You get a private safe 2.0. It's a locked place where you can store private files and documents that are not accessible to the apps. So basically it's ColorOS only. Again, they just put some coating of paint over it. Anyway, let's see how it turns out to be. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.